Embarrassment, or you go talk to me. Hey besties, so welcome back to my vlog. I just got an order from Riddick Ventures, and it's, guess what? Guess what? Apple iPhone 12. Let me arrange my light because I'm not sure you guys are seeing me the way you guys are supposed to see me. Yep. Okay. So we got the iPhone 12 64 gig in the color. Where is the color? Blue. Ooh, so cute. This is the finest iPhone I've ever seen. It is finer than the rose gold. This, so we're just going to unbox it together, and I'll just give you my final, thoughts on it. So let's break this thing together. Ooh, we popped it open. Box fresh, baby. So let's open this. Oh my goodness, what? It's so pretty. Oh yes. So this one has the 2 cameras. Like, it is the most beautiful phone I've ever seen in my life. What? So this is it. We're gonna peel this. Yes. I'm so excited opening it up. It is so beautiful. And then it comes with, oops, it just comes with, I'm not seeing headphones here, so there are no headphones. Got it on, baby. So as you can see, it stands, right? It stands. Oh, it stands. Yes, it does stand. So I guess it's actually the standing phone. So yeah. Girl, it was amazing. I am high right now. I am drunk. Okay, let me not lie. I'm drunk. And we took this. Yeah, this is what we took. It's a Status Citron Premium Vodka. My eyes are gone. So, yeah, I'm just going to chill for the rest of the day. And yes, I have something I want to show you guys. Hey besties, hi. I'm just checking in with you guys because I'm about to get ready to go out for late dinner with my friend. It's been a long time we saw, so we just wanted to catch up. I was about to show you guys my new wig that I got, and okay, so first of all, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should definitely do. It's very simple. It's just deborah.mmenem. I had a poll on my stories asking my beautiful followers what wig we should get, and they picked up this style. So I picked it up from my wigger like 2 days ago. So I was like, let me show you guys, and I'm about to just like style it really quick before I head out. So let me show you guys. This is the wig. It was bundles that they turned into a wig for me. So if you don't know, bobs are really in style now. Yes, they're coming back in style. And I made a fringed bob, so don't worry, you guys will see. So I'm just going to put this on my wig head and flat iron it because we need to go out with it. African time.